want to download CapCut application in just 2 minutes, then open a Chrome and search CapCut download. After that, you can see there are many websites are available. Then you can select a second website up to down. Then you see there is a CapCut logo. Then scroll a bit and click on download button. Click download anyway. After that, you can see there is notification of downloading file. After that, downloading CapCut, you can open a download folder and you can see there is a CapCut application is available. After that, you can click on install button and install the application in your device. After installation, you can see the CapCut application is downloaded in your device. Then you can open a CapCut application. After that opening, you can see CapCut application is downloaded in your phone.